Hi, I'm Liz. I'm back, working from home today. So if you hear my dog, he's gonna dog. That's all I'm gonna say. I would like to discuss medical deductions today, specifically for the state of New Jersey. I have a lot of clients who come to me and they basically only are aware of the IRS requirements with respect to medical deductions. And they always think, like, oh, Liz, I don't have enough out of pocket expenses. We don't need to claim that. And I wanted to explain that there is a difference between how the IRS handles medical deductions versus how New Jersey handles them. So basically, for New Jersey, all things being equal, more of the medical expenses may count towards that deduction. So to quickly explain it, the IRS has a what's called a floor amount. So the floor in this case means anything above that floor counts. So the IRS has a floor of 7.5% of income, and New Jersey has a lower floor amount of 2%. So to give you a quick math example, let's say the income on both the IRS and New Jersey returns is $100,000. And so the floor calculations would be 7,500 for the IRS return and 2,000 for the New Jersey return. Let's say for both returns that you have $5,000 in eligible deductions. So what would happen is on the IRS return, you take 5,000 minus 7,500. Unfortunately, is a negative number, and none of that would count towards the deduction. For the New Jersey return, you take 5,000 minus 2,000, and $3,000 could potentially count as a separate deduction. As many of you know, the IRS medical deduction has to be taken into account in conjunction with other eligible deductions on that form, such as charitable deductions and property tax. So it is very possible that, specific to medical deductions, you may have those deductions count as a deduction towards the New Jersey return, but not the IRS return. Additionally, what makes the New Jersey medical deductions more favorable is that if you're a W-2 earner, if you have health insurance deductions come out of your paycheck, that is more likely than not pre-tax. And so any pre-tax medical counts as a New Jersey medical deduction, but not an IRS medical deduction. So if you live in New Jersey, even if you think you don't have enough, unless it's like $10, that probably isn't enough. But if you have health insurance deductions, if you went to the doctors a few times, bring in those medical deductions, and hopefully it will help you pay a little bit less in taxes, or maybe get a little bit more of a refund. Okay, that is all. Talk to you soon.